Acier was founded in 1997 by two expert fabricators that has 40 years combined experience. We serve at the market of commercial, industrial, and it's mainly these two categories. The area that we cover is mainly Quebec, and we do about 15,000 tons per year.
Our most recent Peddinghaus machine was the Petit Blast that we bought in 2012. The benefits, since we have the Petit Blast, is that we realized that our welding and our painting finish is better than before the Petit Blast. Adding the Petit Blast in our shop was like an added value in our product.
I would say that before purchasing Peddinghaus equipment, I think that there was not a problem, but we were able to increase the deadline and the quality of our product with the Peddinghaus equipment.
The Petit Blast is very easy to use and is kind of user-friendly. The formation to our guys was very easy, and you know, the maintenance is very easy.
The business is very good. Shop is always full. We never miss any project, so we are very proud and happy about the market right now.
Our strategy to always being successful is to never sit back on our success. Keep moving forward and never look back, and always try to improve.